Today I just want to do a little exhibition on Mac OS screen recording activity, and I want to go straight into a little activity of using your terminal or using some few things of your terminal to do wonderful and amazing things on your Mac OS, depending on how you want to see your terminal interface appear on your screen. Sometimes motivates you to do more. So quickly, we just have to go onto the search, and then we ignore this one earlier. I searched for QuickTime, and we're gonna search for terminal right now. And then we have terminal, as you can see, is open. All right, but we don't need. We don't need this type. This is not what we're looking for. So we close this one, right, and we go to shell, and we pick new window, and then you can see the other themes. We have this. It gives you a white plain interface to go, and then we got the grass that gives you a green interface model to go. The home brow, you can go on and practice on your own, but what really fascinates me the more is the ocean, or sorry, the red sand, and then the silver arrow. These ones look pretty interesting for me, and so you have to use. I rather reject these ones, and then I'll stick onto these two. These are two amazing forms that I like. So we can go in and then try something, maybe something like this util. Then you see it's amazing. And just look at how transparent the other one is. When you click on this one here, it's even more transparent, and then when you click back here, you can see that transparency is a lot of thing. So we can try a little code here too, and there we have it. So which one ever you choose, see how interesting it is. Alright, so it was just a little exhibition we wanted to do on the terminal. Trying to use our QuickTime and see how it works. Alright guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Thank you. Bye bye.